Leading an Agile team is the sixth course out of 8 of the Agile PMI-ACP Agile Certified Practitioner Certification Program. Traditional and Agile project management roles differ in their approach to decision making, project planning, and management generally. But both need excellent people management and leadership skills as well as technical knowledge. An Agile project leader should view the customer as a collaborator and focus on continuous improvement throughout the project. The project leader should also serve as both a servant leader and facilitator and view a project as a complex adaptive system. Agile teams are typically cross-functional in their makeup and self-organizing, with members who are empowered to make their own decisions during the development process. Problems in Agile teams result from management miscues, including confusion over a project's mission and scope, and team dysfunctions that occur when teams don't follow Agile principles. Managing a distributed Agile team poses particular challenges. To help overcome these, you can focus on creating cross-functional teams, building solid working relationships, using interactive modes of communication, ensuring knowledge sharing between team members, organizing regular meetings at appropriate times, promoting collaboration, and using online collaboration and meeting tools. Agile coaches are responsible for developing team and individual performance and for helping team members apply Agile practices in their daily work. Agile coaching occurs at the team and individual levels. At the start and end of each iteration, Agile coaching occurs largely at the team level. While an iteration is in progress, individual coaching is most appropriate. You can improve the performance of an Agile team by expecting high performance and technical excellence. As a project leader, you should also remove obstacles that could hinder high performance, such as inadequate product backlog, poor engineering practices, and multitasking. To ensure that the team can identify and fix problems quickly, you should remove obstacles that could hinder performance, such as individuals working in isolation, a culture of tolerating defects, and a project leader that tries to solve problems for the team. A final strategy that you can use to improve performance is to ensure that team members stay energized by eating healthily and taking regular breaks. So this course has two main sections: the basics of Agile teams and managing Agile team performance. After completing the section called the basics of Agile teams, you will be able to indicate how the role of a project manager differs between traditional and Agile project management, recognize practices that reflect the mindset of an Agile project leader, recognize the characteristics of an Agile team, identify causes of problems on Agile teams, and recommend strategies for overcoming challenges faced by dispersed Agile teams. After completing the section called Managing Agile Team Performance, you will be able to match iteration phases with corresponding coaching activities and recognize strategies for boosting team performance. Next, just to make sure that you have a complete picture, a short overview of the Agile PMI-ACP certification program.